school, the smart school, ये मेरा school है.
Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to your English class. Students, today we are going to read an essay, Myself. And myself is knowing about yourself and how to introduce yourself. What is the name of a child? What is the age of a child? And in which class do you read? And what is the name of your school? All these things should be known by a child of your age. Now, let's start the reading of myself. Here is your essay. The first line is I am a boy or a girl. यहाँ पे boy भी दिया गया है और girl भी दिया गया है. लड़के boy write करेंगे and लड़कियाँ girl write करेंगी. The next line is my name is dash. यहाँ जो dash दी गई है आप यहाँ पे अपना name write करेंगे. Now the third line is I am 6 years old. The next line is I read in KG class, and at last you will tell that in which school do you read. My school name is the Smart School. My dear students, learn myself essay from your notes. Thank you.